Hello. Today, I know I haven't made a video in a while, and I apologize. But today we're going to be testing all of my ionization smoke alarms, except that one there. So basically, you could say almost the vast majority of them are here. This one, I recently got $20. Not much to say about this one. I didn't do an unboxing of this one. I'm sorry. And then I got a CO detector there. Okay, here we go. So this one is the First Alert 9120B. This is the Kidda I9070. No. Is it the I9070? I forgot, I haven't. Yeah, it is. Okay. I forgot. Okay. Here we go. Might as well test this. Okay. This is a pair, and that's a pair too. These two are the same ones. This is a pair of Kidda I9040s. Yep. This, you saw the unboxing video of the Kidda KN-COSMBA. Gonna test it.
Fire. Feu.
Oh, I forgot about this.
Warning, carbon monoxide. Monoxyde de carbone.
Takes 2 double A's. I forgot about the carbon monoxide in that one. This is the SA303A. I'm pretty sure Photoelectric Elevators has one very similar to this one, but it's not the same one that I have. Give it a test. Yep. Except it's not that bright in person. And this is the Garrison 46-0081-8. Basically a Kidda I9050. We'll give it a test. And this is the same one. Just more of a different sounding fuse. This one I actually got for Christmas. Don't know if you know. It is a Kidda. I forget the model number. I haven't used these in a while. I9060. Okay, we'll give it a test. This is a pair. Family Guard FD200s. I'll test one because these ones are loud. Yeah. These two here are, or three I should say. These two are First Alert. This one's Family Guard. This is the Family Guard FD1000. It's ionization, and it was installed in my grandma's house. Same with this one. Give this one a test. Yeah. This one's basically the same version as that, but with a escape plate and a slimmer trim. Something cool I found that you could do with these two is that if you put them both together, if you were to put them both together, it'd make a really cool sound. This is the first alert SA150LTA. A lot of these smoke alarms, like this one, it has CA at the end. I didn't add that in there because I live in Canada. It makes them all a little bit different. This one has been malfunctioning a lot. It's no surprise. So I can't test this one either. I need batteries for it too. So it doesn't work. Well, that's tested almost all of my ionization smoke alarms. See, got no other ionization ones on this shelf anymore. I took them out. That's photoelectric there. Same with that one. So, yep. Anyways, have a good day. And, yeah. Bye.